A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Take a moment to close your eyes, or choose to keep them open, whatever works for you, and bring your attention inward. Take some deep, slow breaths and begin to relax. Allow yourself to let go of any seriousness that weighs on you at this moment. Let it drift away and find its way back when the time is right. Feel your body relaxing as you sink further into silliness. Breathe in and out. Notice the subtle twitches or movements in your muscles, letting them move freely as they will. Begin to focus on silliness. Remember a time you were silly, what it felt like, how it moved through your body. What sensations come up for you? A smile, a laugh, joyful energy bubbling beneath the surface? Let yourself be enveloped by this feeling of silliness. Let it come in waves and invite it to stay as long as it likes. Breathe in and out. Right now, raise one hand above your head. Now touch your ear. Bring your hand to your shoulder. Now move your shoulders from side to side. I want you right now to laugh out loud. No matter how fake it sounds, no matter who is there, no matter where you are. Don't judge it, just do it. Allow yourself to be fully present in the moment without worrying about what comes next or feeling like you need to do anything else, but simply enjoy how silliness feels within your body and your soul. Take a deep breath in and out. Give yourself permission to take a break from seriousness, if only for a few minutes. Just relax into how wonderful it feels to be silly and carefree. Enjoy this peaceful respite from any external stressors. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and bring your awareness back out into the world around you. Allow the joy of silliness to linger within you throughout your day. Happy day.